Hi Dr. Hussam, I hope this video finds you well. I'm your student Saja Baraka at Simultaneous Interpretation. I'm here to answer about the questions you have attached in our assignment. First question. What is the difference between consecutive and simultaneous interpretation? So, in consecutive interpretation, the interpreter listens to the speech and takes notes. Then when the speaker pauses, the interpreter starts translating. But in the simultaneous interpretation, the speaker talks without any pauses, and the interpreter should translate simultaneously. For the second question, what are the types of interpretation? First type is consecutive interpretation. Here, the speaker talks for up to 5 minutes. Meanwhile, the interpreter is listening and taking notes. Then when the speaker is done, here comes to the interpreter rule to repeat what have the speaker said in the other language or in the audience's language based on the notes. Number 2 is simultaneous interpretation, where the speaker never pauses and the interpreter translates at the same time of the speech. Number 3 is whispered interpretation. It's the same as simultaneous interpretation, but the difference is that it is whispered to a few people. Number 4, written text interpretation. This type of interpretation where the speaker or where the interpreter reads a piece of paper and then translate it orally. Number 5 is sign language interpretation. This type of interpretation is used for deaf people. And the last one is remote interpretation. This type of interpretation takes place when each of the speakers and the interpreter are not in the same place or are not in the same country. So it should happen remotely or online. Question number 3 is how can you as an interpreter identify your weaknesses? Actually, if I was an interpreter, I would identify my weaknesses through recording myself practicing interpretation, then listening to the record. So this will give me a chance to listen to myself and identify the points that needs to be improved. Thanks. And for part number 2, we have to side interpret this text. يشهد قطاع غزة في إبريل 2026 استمرارا للأزمة الإنسانية الكارثية مع تواصل الهجمات الإسرائيلية وتوغلات وقصف في مناطق مختلفة، مما أدى إلى مقتل 4 أشخاص في خان يونس وشمال القطاع مؤخرا. نزح 90% من السكان وسط تحذيرات من مخاطر عالية نتيجة انتهاكات وقف إطلاق النار، تدمير واسع للبنية التحتية، نقص حاد في الغذاء والدواء وقيود على المساعدات. الأوضاع الميدانية، تواصل القصف الإسرائيلي وعمليات النسف والتوغل لا سيما في جنوب وشمال قطاع غزة. أما بالنسبة للوضع الإنساني فإنه كارثي، حيث يواجه 1.5 مليون شخص الحاجة الماسة للمأوى. تنتشر الأمراض بشكل واسع نتيجة نقص المياه والوقود. القطاع الصحي يعاني من أزمة خانقة نتيجة الحصار والقيود الإسرائيلية على المعابر، مما يعيق وصول المساعدات الطبية الضرورية. خروقات وقف إطلاق النار، الوضع محفوف بالمخاطر مع استمرار الانتهاكات، مما يهدد أي فرصة للاستقرار. الدمار والبنية التحتية، تشير التقديرات إلى تدمير أو تضرر نسبة كبيرة من المباني، مما يفاقم من معاناة النازحين. Gaza Strip is witnessing a continuation to the catastrophic humanitarian crisis with the ongoing Israeli attacks, incursions, and bombardment across various regions in April 2026, which led to the killing of 4 individuals in Khan Yunis in northern Gaza recently. 90% of the population has been displaced, amid warnings of high risks due to ceasefire violations. Extensive infrastructure destruction, severe shortage in food and medicine, and restrictions on aids. On the ground, the Israeli attacks and incursions continue, particularly in northern and southern Gaza. The humanitarian situation is catastrophic, as 1.5 million people urgently require shelter. Diseases are spreading widely due to lack of clean water and fuel. The health sector is in a critical condition due to blockade and Israeli restrictions on the crossings, impeding the delivery of vital medical supplies. Ceasefire violations, the situation is risky, with the ongoing violations jeopardizing any prospects for stability. Infrastructure devastation, assessments reveal the destruction or damage to numerous buildings, intensifying the sufferance of displaced population. Thanks.